And we're back to learn CapCut in a year, day 71. Let me show you how you can create text. We'll add a video clip, and on the top left you can see there's a text option. Make sure add text is highlighted, and then you can see the default text. If you left click on it, you're gonna get a text element. It's kind of like a video element in the timeline. So you can left click drag on the ends to readjust the duration. And as long as it's active, you can see in the top right, this video option changes to text. And here we have text basic, and in the box you can select it and type in a new text. This will replace the placeholder default text. Let's for example say vlog 17, and you can also adjust the starting position here. So it then pops into the frame just like footage or an image. And you have the typical font adjustment parameters here. So font family, font size, font style. Most of these fonts you have to download first to use them, and some of them are pro. So even here CapCut has limited the options for the free version. Under color, you can left click on the swatch and then readjust it. On the top left is always white, and on the bottom left it's always black. And you can also add multiple text elements. Just click on the plus sign again. You will have a new element to adjust. And this is how you can create text in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.